Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this today Excel tutorial, we will learn about the is functions in Excel. Why we use is function? Is function is to get information about a value before performing a calculation or other actions with it. Means we get to know about the some informations of the cell, whether is it a formula or the cell is a blank, is there any error, logical like that. If we have a in sheets of a very heavy data, then it becomes very difficult to get to know the blank cells like that, and by using the blank formula, or you can say that by getting to know the is error function, we get to know about the errors, and like that we have number of is functions. So one by one, let's get to know about them. So first of all, we have these values and these are our functions. So by using is blank, we will get to know about that which cell is blank in out of them, out of these cells. So let's use is equal to is blank, select the value is this one, and press enter. So if you can see there here a small plus symbol came, here a small plus symbol come, and if I double click it, it will automatically fill the details. Previously I made this table up to 11, so there it gets stuck. So again I will click it, or you can say I will drag it from here to there, and you can see that you can see here that all cells so blank, but this one so true, means this is a blank cell. Okay, I forgot to tell you one more thing, that these formulas will show values in true or false. True if this condition is satisfied, means is a number or a tax or a formula, then it will show true, otherwise it will show false. So in this whole array you can see that there is a only one place where it's so true, and that means this cell is means b12. B12 is a blank cell. Likewise, if we want to know the error cells in these cells, then we will use the is error function. So is equal to is error, select the value and press enter. Here a plus symbol came, double click it, and it automatically filled it. You can see that here false means above this B12 there is a no error, but here is a error. Okay, so it's so here true, it's error. Likewise, here is also error, it is referring a cell, so it's a also a error, so it is also true. So there are two true in this value. All means there is a two cells which have errors. Likewise, we get to know about the logical. Is there any logical values inside these cells? For that we will use is logical. Is logical. Select the value, hit enter, and drag it down, or just double click here. So here you can see that first four one is a not a logical value. It's a number. It's also a number. Just its dates. It's a text. So it's a true and false. True and false. What is true and false? It is a logical value. True and false is a logical value. So it's so true here, and otherwise all cells refer false. Now come to the known text. Means it will show a value true if there is a known text. Only text value will be reflected as a false. So let's check it out. Is known text. Okay. Select the value, hit enter, drag it down with this plus, and you can see here that there is a only one place where it's so false, means this one is a false. So apart from that, if there is any error, logical value, blank, or anything else, it will always reflect true. And here is also one hint is written, is known text return true if the value refer to blank cells. Here you can see that this is a blank cell and it reflected a true. So means only the cell which contain text will show a false value, otherwise all cell will show true. Next one is number. So is if there is any number, we will get to know about by is number formula. Is number, select the value, hit enter, and drag it down. So here you can see that date is also calculated as number, currency is also calculated as number, but this is a text. This is a logical, it is not calculated as number. Blank is also calculated as false, and this is also a number because it's a formula. It's 10 or divided by 20. This is also false, this is also a number. So date and currency is calculated as a number also, and other things are as a no number. Okay, next one is text. It will show text out of these cells. Let's check it out. Is text, select the value, hit enter and drag it down. So here it is a exact reciprocal of is known text. Here no known text show only one false, and here is text show only one true. It means it will only reflect a text if it is a true. Only a cell which contain text is true. Otherwise, the blank cell or any formulas or any error, it always reflect false. Likewise, we get to know about the formulas, which cell contain formula or which cell contain values. So let's check it out. Each formula, select the value and drag it down. Okay. So here only these three cells means this and this and this. So true, otherwise all false. This is a, you can check it out in the formula bar. This is a number, this is also a number, just number, this is also just number, this is a currency, just also number, this is a date, this is a text, this is a logical, this is a blank. But what is this? This is a formula, 1 oblique 0, this is a formula. This is 10 divided by 20, it is also a formula. This is also a formula. So like this, these three are formula, that's why they show it true, otherwise all are false. Likewise, we can get to know about the is number even or odd. So it's, I think, very simple. Is even, select the reference, hit enter and drag it down. So here you can see that true means 258 is a even number. But what about this? This is a currency, but it's a currency, but it are counted as a number. Here it is counted as a number, so definitely it will show even or odd. If I will change it to even, it will get run into the true. Here let's click here, it's true. Okay, it's now 24, it become even. Likewise, date, this is a date, but it is counted as a number, so it will definitely reflect here true or false. If uh, I change it to 14, means I made it even, and now it's become true. Likewise, what is zone? Zone is a text, it is not a even, not a odd, it is a text. It means there is a, what is there? There is a error in value. So there is a error in value. Okay, it's a not a value of even or odd kind. This is also, it is a logical value, that's why it's showing like that. This is also a logical value, but this is true because 0 is counted as an even number, that's why it's showing true. It's a blank cell, blank cell is here counted as a true. If I enter here 0, then it's also true. If I enter here 1, then it will become false. So I will better kept it blank. And likewise, this is also error. Here is also error. Divided by 0 error means it's not a number. It's showing a error. It is true. So here it's 0.5. Then why it's showing true? It looks a even or odd, we don't know about it. But here is a rule in Excel. After decimal, it's truncated. Means it do not, it ignore the value. Only the value which is before the decimal will be counted in even and odd function. So what is here before the decimal? It's 0. Means it is a even. So it's showing true. If I change it to 1, So by using the formula, just type here 30, then it's become 1.5. It's 1 become odd number, so it's showing false in the even. So next one is reference. It's also here is also a error. 2 is a true and 3 is a false. Likewise, we can use a odd function also to get to know about the odd numbers in our cell. Select the value, hit enter, and drag it down. So here it's definitely the opposite of the is even number. It's true, it's false, true, false, true, false, value, error, true, false. It's a is also showing false in the blank cell. It's a division false. It's a like this one. If I change it to like here 50, it become 2.5. Then it shows true here is even, but is also false. It will truncate the value after the decimal. Okay, likewise, I hope you get to know about the is functions of excels, and by knowing the value of the cell we can perform our calculation or operations carefully. So thanks for watching this. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.